Namaskara. I promised to speak in Kannada, but then unfortunately I didn't have time to prepare myself. It was short notice. And let me tell you, I'm so excited. And, you know,
One second. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದು ಲೈಟ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ. ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವ್ರು ಕಾಣೋತರ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಸರ್. ಸಾರಿ.
I'm so excited because I saw the Tamil version, though I've seen the Kannada version in parts, and then after the re-recording and after the final mix, everything was over. I saw the film yesterday, day before yesterday, with my full family, and we are all so happy that we made this film and to be associated with such a charismatic actor, Mr. Sudeep Kicha. Actually, to be very frank with you, after seeing Naan-E, the film in the theater, I remember watching it in Satyam Theatre, and I just became a great admirer and a fan of Mr. Sudeep. Since then, you know, I've been watching his film, and I was thinking to myself that I should make one film with Mr. Kicha, sir, and that happened. But that dream of mine came true through Mr. Shivi, who came and gave me this idea of making this film with Mr. Kicha, sir, along with the director Vijay. And I listened to the script, and I was thoroughly, excited about the script. And knowing Mr. Sudeep's performance, I thought he will carry it right through very well. And so excited, to be very frank with you, though I had a very late night, I decided to come and be part of this celebration. And I was yesterday watching all the, videos which my team was sending it to me. And I was so amazed to see the kind of fan followings Mr. Sudeep sir is having. And it reminds me of our superstar, Mr. Rajnikant. Really, that's the kind of fans he has. And he's such a nice, humble person. And there are a lot of things I would like to say, share it a little later. But I would like to, at this point of time, thank the director, particularly the director, Mr. Vijay, and his team for giving us such a wonderful picture. And I didn't expect this kind of a pacey screenplay. And of course, the pace was enhanced, and the background score given by the music director was amazing. In fact, I spoke to him, I congratulated him, and I told him that he should come and do a Tamil film with us. He has tremendous potential. And sir, thank you very much. And Vijay, I should thank you and your team for a wonderful hard work you all put along with the production team. I think it is amazing. We started off in June 6th, and the shooting continuously went on, continuously without any stop. Maybe there must have been about 4-5 days break in between. But Mr. Sudeep sir gave tremendous cooperation. And of course, the backup team, the production led by Mr. Sriram, Babu, and of course our own team, they did a wonderful planning, and it all went off well. And I need to particularly mention about our cinematographer, because cinematographer Shekhar Chandra, Mr. Shekhar Chandra's work is tremendous, in this film. And I think we all should give him a big hand, because I have worked with very many leading cinematographers, and I rate him in that level, because every frame in this film, if you watch it in the theater, you will see that it looks like an Hollywood film. That's the kind of a work, and with the speed with which he worked is amazing, and the result he has given is fantastic. Shekhar sir, congratulations and wish you all the best, sir. And Ajinish, of course, I have told already, you have done a great work, sir. Your songs were amazing and especially when I see the people, rejoicing in the theater, it shows that the songs are all big hit. Ganesh Babu, our editor, I don't know whether he's here, but yes, his editing work was amazing. The way he kept the first half going so fast and then, even the second half faster than the first half. And his work on the trailer, the teaser, everything was good. My congratulations to him. And art director Shiva Kumar, I think he needs a special mention because when I first saw him in our office, I was wondering whether he would be able to do so many sets, like we had so many sets erected, but he put everything, assembled all the sets, simultaneously working when the shooting was going on in another set. He managed to pull it through in such a short time. And hats off to you, sir. Good work, excellent. And stunts, of course, they all have done a wonderful job. And Silva Master, Vikram Master, Supreme Sundar, and Kevin. Dance, of course, Showbiz. That ship song was amazing, really fantastic. And I came to know that that particular song was sung by our Mr. Sudeep sir's daughter. Her voice is amazing, and I'm sure she's going to really be a very big singer. And other technicians also, I need to really congratulate others. And I should especially thank our distributor, Mr. KRG sir, and Supriya Vanyo, Mrs. Priya. I really wanted to thank them because it was a great gesture by Mr. Sudeep sir, Priya sir, and KRG sir to take the film on for Karnataka area. After seeing the film and the confidence Mr. Sudeep had on the director and on the film, they bought it for Karnataka, and I'm very happy it is doing well, and I wish it really breaks the previous records of other films. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Sudeep. Thank you, Mr. KRG, and all others. And I should mention about Mr. Naveen Chandra. Naveen Chandra, I know him, he has worked with me, he's an excellent performer and he has done his work very well. Shimton Chako, of course, he has done his role very well. Yogi Babu, Guru Somasundaram is a wonderful artist. His performance was also good. Gopal Deshpande, Pratap Narayanan, Roshini, Archana, Deepshika, Devjil, and of course Vikrant. All of them have done their parts very well, and the director has taken the best out of them. Once again, thank you very much to the press, and also I'd like to thank the people of Karnataka for encouraging our lovely film. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Sudeep, once again, sir.